In this video, I'll break down the most important mutual fund terms you absolutely need to know. By the end, you'll understand how to speak the language of investors and make smarter decisions with your money. Let's dive in. Term 1: NAV, net asset value. First up is NAV, or net asset value. This is the price per unit of a mutual fund. Think of it like a stock price, but for mutual funds. It's calculated daily by taking the total value of all the fund's assets, subtracting liabilities, and dividing by the number of outstanding units. If a fund has $10 million in assets and 1 million units, the NAV is $10. You buy and sell mutual fund units at this price. NAV helps you track how your investment is performing over time. Term 2: AUM, assets under management. Next is AUM, assets under management. This is the total market value of all the assets a fund manages. A high AUM can indicate that the fund is trusted by many investors, but it can also make it harder for the manager to quickly adjust strategies. It's not a quality indicator by itself, but it gives you a sense of the fund's size and investor confidence. Term 3: Expense ratio. Now let's talk about expense ratio. This is the percentage of your investment that goes toward managing the fund. It covers management fees, administrative costs, and other expenses. For example, if a fund has a 1% expense ratio, you'll pay $10 annually for every $1,000 invested. Lower is usually better, especially for long-term investing, because these costs can eat into your returns. Term 4: SIP, systematic investment plan. If you've heard the term SIP, this is for you. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It's a way to invest a fixed amount regularly, say monthly, in a mutual fund. SIPs help you build wealth over time through rupee cost averaging and the power of compounding. It's like putting your investments on autopilot. Term 5: Exit load. Ever heard of exit load? This is the fee you might have to pay if you redeem your units before a certain period, usually 1 year. Let's say the fund has a 1% exit load for withdrawals within 12 months. If you redeem 10,000 rupees in 6 months, you'll pay 100 rupees as a penalty. Always check the exit load before investing, especially if you think you might need your money early. Term 6: Riskometer. The riskometer is a visual tool that shows the risk level of a mutual fund. It ranges from low risk to very high risk. It helps investors match their risk appetite with the fund's volatility. If you're conservative, look for funds on the lower end. If you're aggressive, higher risk funds might be for you. Term 7: Growth versus dividend option. When investing, you'll often see a choice between growth and dividend options. In the growth option, your returns are reinvested, and you receive a lump sum when you sell. In the dividend option, the fund pays out a portion of the profits regularly. Choose growth for long-term compounding, or dividend if you want regular income. Term 8: Fund manager. The fund manager is the person or team responsible for making all investment decisions in the fund. Their experience, strategy, and track record can make or break your returns. Always research the fund manager's past performance before investing. Term 9: Benchmark. A benchmark is an index the fund tries to beat, like the Nifty 50 or S&P 500. If your fund consistently outperforms its benchmark, that's a sign of good management. It's your yardstick for comparison. Term 10: Portfolio turnover ratio. This ratio shows how often the fund manager is buying or selling investments in the fund. A high turnover may mean more trading and possibly higher taxes. A low turnover usually suggests a more stable, long-term strategy. Understanding these mutual fund terms helps you make smarter, more confident investment choices. So, whether you're just starting your SIP journey or you're already building a diverse portfolio, knowing these terms gives you a solid foundation. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom, simplified. Thanks for watching, and remember, the smartest investment is in your own knowledge.